I spent one full year in this apartment doing absolutely nothing. Depressed, stagnant, sitting by the window watching the world go by. My mental health and my physical health dwindled. Time for me to leave the prison I made for myself. Goodbye, Grand Belmont. I'm out.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls.
I found a very small studio up in the West Hills of Portland. I've created a cozy, comfortable home for myself, as I plan to stay until it's time to retire. I gave up some luxuries to save $600 a month, but it's worth it. I'm nestled between OHSU and a micro forest with lots of trails. I have yet to see one houseless encampment, and most of all, I feel safe.
Because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. But she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah, she will never know.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
Oh my God. Due to not moving my body much in 2022, I feel so gross and kind of disgusted with myself. I guess I can say I totally let myself go. Now, this is not a New Year's resolution. This is about wanting and needing to feel good in my own skin. And right now, I do not. I'm at that point in my life that if I want to change my shape, I have to actually do the work and be consistent with it. I almost feel as if I'm starting over from 2021 when I actually worked out and my clothes fit and I felt good when I looked in the mirror. Now I feel like a box with skinny legs. Yeah, I'm changing. Shit. Okay. Collagen peptides, AG1, look it up. Ow. Ugh. Pressed coconut water, non-sweetened. fresh watermelon and fresh pineapple. I get the kind cut up from the store because I don't feel like cutting it myself, making a big mess. Fourth of a liter. Collagen peptides because my body doesn't really make collagen too much anymore. Good for the skin, hair, nails, joints, especially if you have arthritis, like I do. Oh God. Okay. No, I'm not sponsored. I obviously am not sponsored with 250 followers. But everybody drinks this stuff and raves about it. I'm going to be real honest, it tastes like shit. That's why I don't just shake it up in the with a little bit of water and drink it. I can't. It's nauseating. So, we got the coconut milk for a little bit of flavor. And watermelon, a little bit of fiber, and the juice. And then I do a little bit of pineapple for the fiber and also the flavor. Anything to cover up the AG1 athletic greens flavor. It's I don't know how you sponsored YouTube folks drink it with a straight face and say, oh, yummy. It's fucking disgusting. Okay, got all that. Put that on there. I have a better blender, and but I don't want to blend it to oblivion. I want some of that fiber to drink down. Yeah. If I mix it too much, it has a foam on the top, and I don't like that. You can still taste the AG1, but this is pretty good. Just Google this. Google athletic greens.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless.